Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Dayol app is and how it's positioned. Dayol is a journaling and calendar app designed to help users record daily experiences while organizing memories by date. According to the official App Store descriptions, the platform allows users to create daily journal entries and attach photos, notes, or other details to specific days on a calendar timeline. The same official descriptions explain that the app combines diary writing with a calendar-style layout so users can easily review past entries and events. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Information from the official listing indicates that the app may allow users to add multiple photos to entries and customize journal pages with different layouts or visual styles. The platform may also include tools that help users browse past memories by selecting dates directly from the calendar view. According to the official description, the app is designed to organize personal reflections and life events into a chronological journal format. The developers describe Dayol as a digital diary tool intended to help users document daily life while keeping entries organized through a calendar system. This app may be useful for users who want a simple way to record daily moments and revisit memories using a timeline format. For people interested in diary apps that combine journaling with calendar organization, this could be one possible option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.